Hi, and welcome back. We've already created our mini-me river champions and the setting for our movies. The next thing we need is characters.
So, in this activity, we're going to cast the hero and the villain of our scrap motion movie.
Ready?
Let's go. Casting directors find the actors to bring characters in a movie or TV drama to life. They're hired by the production company to match actors to roles. Take a look at the heroic headshots and decide who you'd like to be the hero of your scrap motion movie. When choosing, think about the kind of setting that you've made and bear in mind that you'll be making and animating this character later on. Next, examine the villainous lineup and decide on your river villain. You won't need to make this character, as you should be able to find them in your bin or recycling. Before we start filming, it's a good idea to think a bit more about each of your characters. And you can use the character profile sheet to help you do this. Why not do a drawing of them first? Give them a name. Then, see if you can find out a bit more about them. You could do some research to help you, but you'll also need to use your imagination. When you've done your hero's character profile, do one for your villain too.
Jane decided to cast Sammy the Salmon as the hero in our movie, so the next thing for me to do is make them. And we're going to use some of the same techniques we've used before.
So, now we've made our hero for our movie, and I found this bright pink plastic bag to be our villain. In the next activity, we're going to bring them both together and write our story.
Oh, Sammy and Polly look fab. I can't wait to see all the other heroes and villains. Did you know that there are loads more amazing creatures that can be found in the Eden? And sadly, there are so many threats that our rivers face. Why don't you do some research and see if you can find out more about them? The Eden Rivers website is a great place to start.